The race car is officially down. It's gonna be down for the count for a while. I'll try to get a video of what happened, but yeah, feels like it's one thing after another right now with the turbo gasket, the alternator. Sheesh. Alright, so taking off the turbo gasket right here. Let me show you what the old one looked like. This thing just like blew out. This is Vibrant. I'm not sure how good it was, but I mean, look at what it did for me. I have a regular T4 gasket in here, no divide in the middle. So the way I did it, pretty easy to get that bolt off. This one at the top right here, just kind of use a just a not a wrench, yeah, a wrench, I'd say 15 though. The one that's in the top up there, what I would do, take off the inlet piping of the turbo, the one that goes right there, take that off so you have a little better way of getting, you can get a 15 up there, and the on the manifold side of it you can get a 15 up there, and then to kind of stop it from moving, you can fit a 14 through the on top of the coolant line right here for the bottom of the turbo, and then kind of stop it from spinning. So that's what I did. It worked. The turbo pretty much stays in place almost, but it kind of sinks down once you get all these bolts off. So we got that in, and we're about to bolt everything up. It's pretty done already. So last night I didn't record anything, and I had the GoPro with me, but some of the guys actually took videos of it on their Snapchat, and this is the pool. And then this is the outcome. If you guys can see that. And yep, that's my one of the turbo wheels. It's done. Spit out the exhaust, and we didn't have any boost, and we were wondering what that little clinking noise was, and that was the noise. So I gotta take off the turbo, contact comp, and see if they can do a rebuild under warranty or something along those lines. But yeah, race car's down. That fucking sucks. Yeah. And I just got done putting the turbo manifold gasket on there.
I know this sucks, but you know what's the good thing about this? You make more power after the turbo. You always fix it to go faster.
And the car was still on.
What?
The car was still on?
What?
Like we
It's just so hot.
into the back and
Oh, it's just hot as fuck.
so that's cool, right?
That's just hot as fuck, bro.
What part is that?
Damn.
Well,
Damn.
but it wasn't even that much of
Alright, what's up, guys? So I did reach out to Comp Turbo, just kind of explain kind of what happened. Told them that the turbo wasn't even not even 1,000 miles old yet. I didn't even receive its first grease job. So kind of waiting on his fronts there. Sasha from Boosted Performance said he's gonna reach out to him as well, so thank you for that, man. Speaking of Boosted Performance, man, even, you know, any issues with the kid, like things like that, that's like really out of his control. I mean, it seems like, you know, he'll do anything in his power to make it right, you know, even though he did not make that turbo, but I appreciate that from him. So when we went roll racing down in Mexico, where did I do my keys? My boost solenoid kind of either kicked off, lost power, or whatever the case may be, because I was only running on 7 pounds on gate, and I thought it was mainly just because of that boost leak that I had. But then I asked my tuner what would be better, because I wanted to shoot for, because we're at 16 to 18 pounds of boost at that time when the solenoid was working. So I asked my tuner, hey, what would be better? Should we put 10-pound springs in there or 15-pound springs in there? And he said 15. So then when I was replacing the turbo gasket, we put 15-pound springs in there. And then on the dyno, I mean, it kind of just, it was hard to get traction on the dyno because the boost was coming on pretty early. So I think we're gonna go down to 10-pound springs. But I mean, the car was making roughly around 600 when it was like that. So I mean, it was good, but the torque was just pretty heavy right there. So I think we need to dial it down to maybe 10 to 12-pound springs and then kind of go up from there. Because on the last tune it was like gradual. So we'll see what happens, get a response from comp, and then go from there. But yeah, the race car's down.